Erġajna edin hawnhekk għal Soulcast. Iżda llum naqa' twist differenti. Twist li vera ġanni nħossni home, ħanajdilkom għala. Illa li xmi għandi Francesca, u jienu Francesca dejjem għadna li xi darba ħanamlu podcast min qed itija l-iktar bil-Malti u bl-Ingliż. U tħaqna fuqha. U għawedin, kienet ħelwa, oġbitni l-idea, wasalna għalja. Ħanajdilkom propju għalfejn qegħdin nintaqgħu hawnhekk illum. Illum ħankunu qegħdin nesploraw xi ħaġa sempliċi, però fil-verità m'għada sempliċi xejn. Iżda din saret vera komplessa. U aħna propju ħankunu qegħdin nitkellmu kif ħanippreservawhom dawn ir-relazzjonijiet, għax ir-relazzjonijiet propju saru komplessi immens. Ħanfaqqana bl-Ingliż issa. Not the perfect Instagram version of relationships, but the real ones. Dawk li kif jiena laq il-bib, x'qed jiġri? Saqsu propju lilkom infuskom, araw daqsxejn żgħira. The ones that shape by pressure, misunderstanding, time, expectations, silence and repair. We live in a world that teaches us how to connect fast, but not how to stay connected. Very, very deeply. So illum ħankunu hawnhekk propju qed nitkellmu ma' Francesca biex tgħinna nifhmu daqsxejn żgħira given illi Francesca għandha platform kbira fejn ġo fiha jidħlu ħafna nies jitkellmu fuq kull tip, forma u għamla ta' relationship. Dan mhux biex nkunu ideali, imma biex nitkellmu l-verità. Tafu li miegħi dejjem nitkellmu l-verità. Responsabilità u intelligenza emozjonali. Ħandur fuqek Francesca u l-ewwel net ħansaqsik kif inti.
Jena tajba, grazzi tal-istedina. I'm really happy to be here and to see you doing your podcast because it's been a dream of yours for a long time.
Thank
So
you.
I'm really proud of you. Prosit.
Thank you.
Brava. Kompli sejra hekk and thank you for inviting me. U
Thank
jena nitkellem bl-Inglis ħafna.
Ħallihom ħajtqu bina llum. Jiggustaw narriduhom aħna mhux jgħidha x'jienu wkoll infaqqa bil-Malti, bl-Ingliż, bil-Malti. Propju fra dejjem nħobb dabija din mistoqsija. Francesca. Mini Francesca?
Francesca ħafna affarijiet. Mama, oħt, kont, ovvjament, I'm a child of someone who, I'm the founder of the Women for Women Foundation, which I'm very proud of, and the founder of the Women for Women platform. U għandi ħafna responsabilitajiet bħala kolla kemm aħna, ovvjament. Xej speċjali, mhux esperta fuq l-relationships, rrid ngħidlek, daw kollos minn l-esperjenza tiegħi, jiena mhux esperta fuq relationships, qatt ma studjajt fuq relationships, imma ovvjament għandi 57 u xi affarijiet għaddejt minnhom jien ukoll. Bħalek bħal kulħadd għandna traumas, għandna l-baggage tagħna kulħadd qed inġorru xi ħaġa u dejjem nippruvaw nitalmu mill-esperjenzi.
Eżatt, fil-fatt naqbel ħafna miegħek, laqas jiena min esperta f'relationships, imma nies li jkunu jsegwu ħafna relationships mill-viċin, sewwa, nsejħulhom esperti bl-esperjenza. Bl-esperjenza.
Eżatt.
Għax il-bqija ħajkonna l-qoddim magħna nies li huma esperti fuq relationships u propju minn is-sekt idu tħallu mistoqsijiet kemm lil Francesca, kemm lili u kemm ukoll forsi fuq relationships. Forsi jidħol xi esperti u jġibkom.
Eżatt.
Thank
U
you,
jekk
Francesca.
irridu fuq Women for Women ukoll ikomplu
Eżatt.
diskussjoni, Shakira tkun anki fuq il-Women for Women u anki int nistgħu
Ekku,
nkomplu il-
Tant nħossu li huwa xi ħaġa tiegħi da Women for Women ukoll. Jiena niftakru l-ewwel darba li konna qegħdin mejda nies.
Eżatt, mela,
Ħanaqduh flimkien.
Eżatt, inti kont hemm l-ewwel
Mela,
ġurnata kien Maltem tiftakar il-lami. U ġejt miskina l-lami.
Minn dejjem kien għal-qalbi. U għandi l-unur
Ħafna.
ukoll ngħid li attiva ħafna fil-Women for Women.
Yes, yes.
Għax ovvjament jittegjaw kien nies u
Eżatt,
jittegħu
mhux hekk, mhux hekk.
U nirringrazzja din il-platform tagħkom għax bis-saħħa tal-platform vera nsibu għajnuna u
Anki,
nissapportjaw
u
il-xulxin.
U nitalmu minn xulxin, mill-esperjenzi ta'
Il-ħin
xulxin, anki jiena tallimt ħafna mill-esperjenzi milli naqra l-affarijiet li jgħidu n-nisa l-oħra u veru tallimt ħafna minn għand kulħadd, għax kulħadd għandu l-esperjenza u l-perspettiva tagħhom
Ekku.
mill-esperjenza li għaddew minna, ġifieri u titgħallem tajt madof veru. Jiena rajta hekk imma kif qed tispjega dil marra għandha mittelf raġun ukoll, fimt?
Ekku.
Għax hemm ħafna
Ekku.
affarijiet differenti. Meta tara mill-angoli differenti tan-nies skont
Ekku. U
l-esperjenza.
l-posts ikunu ħafna differenti, ivarjaw immens, il-posts ikunu fuq kollox, xi kultant jiena stess ngħid jaħasra malfejn għandhom bżonn jitkellmu anonimi biex jippostjaw ċertu affarijiet meta dik hija simple knowledge that you may know. Jiena li jiena streetwise ħafna, l-affarijiet li jitkellmu fuqhom jisom b'xi mod jew ieħor dejjem missejt magħhom jew smajt fuqhom, jisu xejn mhux xejn għalija taf kif. U nibda ngħid ħassa kemm hawn min għandu nuqqas ta' esperjenza forsi f'ċertu affarijiet.
Jew jibżaw.
Imma dejjem isib support u jibżaw ukoll ħabba
tabu jibżaw l-affarijiet forsi xjajdu bihom in-nies jew il-ġirien jekk jaraw li hekk anki affarijiet ma tkunx trid li jafu n-nies. Jiena pereżempju I'm quite an open book, ġifiri, imma dik bl-esperienza u bil-età tiġi anki li dik il-konfidenza li tista' tgħid kollox li ma jimpurtakx x'jaħsbu fuqek in-nies, pereżempju jiena issa jew nitkellem bl-Ingliż jew bil-Malti.
Mhux bil-rispett kollu.
Le.
Ma għandux jinteressana xejn fuq in-nies.
Mhux hekk m'għandux jinteressana, ovvjament qatt ma nipprovaw inweġġaw il-ħadd. You know, u jekk xi ħadd jitkellem bl-Ingliż jew jitkellem bil-Malti li għandu f'qalbu jgħod.
Ekku.
U kif imur man-nies.
Għamilja statement di.
Le ma veru, ma kif imur
definitely.
man-nies, jiġifieri tista' tkun.
Ħanibda tal-ewwel mistoqsija.
Ma tajti.
Ejja, tlaqna. What do you believe is the biggest silent destroyer of relationships today? Forsi konna naqfollow up English jekk nitftu naqra fuq emotional disconnection versus
Imma you're going on heavy stuff. Ta' jiena mhux psychologist jew psychotherapist.
Imma isu l-ikbar disconnection x'inhi bejn il-kopp?
Jiena naħseb.
X'qed
Jiena I think it's a bit selfishness, you know, there's a lot of selfishness. It's good to be self-aware and to look after yourself, don't get me wrong, very important that you follow what you need, but the disconnection is everyone's on their phone, we're not communicating and talking, you know, talking and saying what we feel and being honest with each other, very important, that we're always honest, and if we're feeling something, we need to discuss it, you know, we you know, no silent treatment. You have to respect each other. You need to say what's happening, what's wrong, you know. Speak to me. And obviously it takes two. You can't, one asks you what's wrong and say, xej ma rix nitkellem, you know, sort of thing. Communication and respect. Even sometimes you might need your silence and you need your space. But if you're in a relationship, you want to be together. You want to spend time together and you want to be present in the moment. You know, you don't want to be disconnected because you're both on your phones. Obviously, the time comes when you want to relax and have your own time. But in general, if someone speaks to you, you should listen. They start a conversation. You try and listen. What's wrong? What is it? You know, let's communicate. Let's, you know, I feel that people are too quick to make choices and sacrifices and compromises. They don't do them enough, you know. It's not easy. A relationship is not easy, you know. It's not easy, but you mustn't stay for everything either. You have to always look after yourself, you know.
Importanti ħafna. U sewa tajt inti fil-fatt dan il-ħafna digital noise li għanna madwarna ħafna koppji il-biċċa kbira saru they brush off everything mbagħad nitkellmu għal darbora mbagħad nitkellmu mbagħad isir total disconnection. U meta jsir total disconnection kulħadd jibda jibni ħajtu b'mod separat. Iżda jibqgħu flimkien għax jew forsi hemm it-tfal, għax hemm id-djar, imma just
you just move away and away, exactly.
So jekk vera wieħed jixtieq joqgħod f'relazzjoni li literalment ixammar il-kmiem.
Yes.
Kif attintu jaħdem għaliha. Ħammur lek għattini mistoqsija dal-podcast minn la differenza. Qabel konna nagħmlu 1 hour jew 45 minutes, issa timmorru għal 30 minutes biss. Tlaqna. At what point do relationships start to break down? Is it usually a big moment or small repeated patterns?
Small repeated patterns for sure. Big moments, they come for every relationship, and it's how you go after that big moment, how you fix, and not only in words, with actions. You know, you have to build the trust. If something big happens, you have to build the trust again. But the small annoying things, you speak to your partner once, he doesn't listen. The next time you tell him something else or her something else and she doesn't listen. again, she doesn't notice that you made an effort with something, and all these small patterns build up. And before you know it, like you're saying, you're sweeping everything off under the carpet and you're like too far away to reconnect. So for me, it's the small patterns, the big things, they're going to happen, because life is like that. We'll be tired, we say the wrong thing, but it's how we make up for it after. It's how we show that we really want this relationship to work, but it has to be both, huh? Because
Has to be both.
it can't be one, because a relationship is always between two people. It has to be both, at least in my experience, it has to be both. Because if one is always giving and the one's always taking, it's unsustainable.
U fil-verità nirrealizzaw meta tkun waslet
Mhm.
biex tfaqqa l-bomba l-kbira.
Mhm.
Il għaliex uħut jgħidlek, ma nafx ġara f'daqqa waħda qabad u telaq, jew kellha f'daqqa waħda telqet.
Tlet.
L-ewwel nett fejn jidħol abbuż dejjem ngħidu
Yes.
li ħadd m'għandu għalfejn. La jitlaq jiġri mill-ewwel, għax l-abbuż sirna llum il-ġurnata kif ikun hemm xi ħaġa mmorru nirrapportaw mbagħad ieħor jirrapporta jew ħasra jitlu f'ġerni ta' qorti enormi. Mentri forsi jkun hemm naqa' escalation xi kultant over awareness ċertu nies jieħdu kollox kelma b'kelma. L-affarijiet m'għandhomx ikunu hekk għax aħna Maltin.
Mhm.
We are very taf kif.
You have to be careful, very. On the raġuni you have to be careful, but you mustn't,
Very much careful. Abuse is a pattern.
Exactly.
Abuse is something happening over and over and over and over.
Yes.
Li jkun hemm xi naqra outburst.
Oh yes. Xi kultant anki mhux kulħadd
Kulħadd
kisser xi ħaġa forsi, imma ovvjament you have to be careful and you have to say you're sorry and you don't do it again.
Eżatt.
Għax darba
Eżatt.
kulħadd jista' jiżbalja jekk ngħid, darba kulħadd imma darba.
Darba.
And I'll give one chance, but I would not give two chances.
Give two
You know,
chances,
you know, for me, as in when it's something violent, style,
Yeah.
very mhux żball, għax ovvjament żball jien naftajt kelma żejda żball. You
Oh,
know?
jaf, meta tisma'
Imma violence, jien naf tiskisser xi ħaġa jew issabba darba, għax that's for me is it's a form of violence, you know.
Yes. Fine line.
Shouting
Darba
and,
nagħmlu programm fuq
it's
il-fine
true,
line
lines, exactly.
between being and normalizing a relationship of us being multi-serious,
Yes.
volatile kif aħna, and abuse. There's a
Yes.
very fine line between those.
Yes, and you're the expert in that. I'm not an expert, but
Oh,
you're
Lila,
very
expert.
but you've worked with it much more than me, you know.
A decade of work,
Yes.
xorta man istif pala expert, kemm jista' jkun nippruvaw noħorġu għadi minn dix-xena. Għax dak li jkun ma jibqax jassoċjani ma' domestic
Yes,
violence,
very.
and more than domestic
Yes,
violence.
mhux hekk, you're a lot of
Mbagħad
things.
jista'
That's why I said
jgħix,
yes.
Ħan saqsik mistoqsija oħra, imma li rrid ngħid u forsi nwaslu daqsxejn żgħira li kun qed jara dan il-podcast, importanti li those small dismisses over time li tibda tħossok unseen, unheard,
No, mhux
obviously
hekk.
jagħmluk unhappy.
Of course, you can't. In a relationship, that's the most important thing. Like you're saying, you have to be seen, heard, listened, loved, feel loved. You have to feel loved, not only be told
Dak
that you're
it-tip
loved.
għandu bżonn jibqa' jiflirtja miegħek.
Yes,
Jew għandek bżonn
always.
tibqa' tiflirtja
Listen, I've
miegħu.
been married over 12 years now, married in my relationship for 20 years.
You still flirt fra?
Of course, we
Yes, that's my girl.
flirt. Of course, and we still love each other every
Bravi.
day. We appreciate each other. We say,
Nsejmulu minn hawnhekk xorta kelli ngħidielu.
we say thank you to each other. We appreciate each other
Bravi.
every single day,
Bravi.
and we listen to each other. When I do my hair, he notices.
Important.
No, silly things. When
Important.
he shaves, I notice.
Eżatt.
When he shaves, when he's going out with the boys and not with me. He tight buddy.
That's nice.
No,
Hekk għandek
mushek,
tibqa'.
no, mushek, but no, it's true. I mean, and you know why it is? Because we treat each other as equals, but not equals in you did this and I did this. The word, we know.
Mara tiegħi, inti tilasaw, ħanejnek.
Mushek, sometimes I'm giving 80 and he's giving 20, and sometimes he's giving 80, I'm giving 20, and it's always balancing out, because we love each
You're
other.
better half, for God's sake.
Yes, exactly. That's
Forever,
Mushek, I'm his better half and he's my better half. And that is, it's a beautiful thing. And this is what I want women to understand, that you should try not to settle for less.
workshop fra fuq din.
Don't settle for less,
Yes.
Especially when you're young, it's difficult when you're young. We forget, we forget our own self-worth. We bury ourselves in the relationship. We give everything from the
True.
beginning, And we need to realize that a beautiful relationship is about peace and consistency. It's not a roller coaster of emotions. The emotions, they're always consistent,
Consistency.
consistency. It's always love. Obviously, sometimes you'll have a fight, work, you know that you can trust that person. They're on your side. He's not, whatever he's doing is because he loves you. If he tells you something, you take on criticism constructively. When you know and the person shows you that they love you every day in their small actions, not in their big, flowers and romance are beautiful, but, it's the genuine little things that they do for you every
Importanti
day.
fil-verità, it's very it is very well understandable
Mhm,
jekk inti u x'qiegħda f'relationship tajba jew le.
mhm.
Għax ġewwa ġo fik il-fjamma tkun tħossha.
And
Il-mara
you're,
tikrih meta ma tkunx
you're
f'relazzjoni
peaceful,
tajba l-biċċa
and you're
kbira. U
peaceful.
tisbieħ
Uh-huh.
meta tkun f'relazzjoni tajba l-istess ir-raġel.
Yes, Moshe, and you're peaceful. You're not, you don't have that constant worry or mistrust. It's a beautiful thing, and I really wish that people realize that it's possible.
Għalhekk qed nagħmilhom dawn il-podcast
It's true.
because I want to
It's
share the
possible,
love.
and yes,
Kemm ilhom li ħarġu dawn il-proposti l-ġodda li
Tax-
ħajibda jagħti inċentivi għal min ikollu l-babies, nixtieq
Ah.
jagħmlu ħafna babies.
but with the right people.
With the right people, importanti, mhux
You know?
daqqa waħda.
No, mhux hekk għax
Di importanti, għax di ħatiġri żgur 10 years oħra down the line, se jkun hemm measuring ta' min kien min għamel it-tfal,
Mhm.
biex taf kif,
Yes, it's true.
Bħalma kien hemm 10 snin ilu, 20 sena
Very,
ilu.
very, very.
So with
Ma-
the
aha.
right people,
Well,
bekk rridu nagħmlu enfasi
Exactly.
kbira.
And this is, remember, he's going to be the father or she's going to be the mother of your child. And ideally, you want to have a good relationship for the rest of the life of your child. It's whether if there's always respect, even if you don't love each other anymore as husband and wife, but there's always the respect.
True.
You will never be that bad to each other or violent towards each other, or you're always going to respect. And for the child, you're going to find a way, and you don't need to end up in court because you respect each other from the beginning. And you
to get away
exactly.
from it.
And when you have respect and you have genuine love and care for each other and kindness, you can work things through. You put your egos. Mushek, you put your egos aside
Mela.
and you say, listen, you're the mother of my child, I'm the father of your child, and we have to think of the best interests of the child.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Quote tajt, ħares lejn il-persuna li qiegħda tiddejtja, jew li qiegħed tiddejtja, ħares lejn dik il-mara li qiegħed tiddejtja, jew ħares lejn dak ir-raġel li qed tiddejtja, u aħseb ħajdan tajjeb biżejjed jew din tajba biżejjed biex tkun om binti jew om
Yes.
ibni jew viċa versa, jew raġel il-papa
Yes,
tal-tfal tiegħi.
Mushek.
U għamlu naqa homework di fuqa,
Yes.
għax stajtu taraw minn qabel,
Yes,
anke xi ħadd
definitely.
kienet relazzjoni tajba, staw jarawha minn qabel.
Yes, exactly. And also you see it in people, how they treat other people.
True.
Even if how they speak about their ex-girlfriend. If he's always putting her down, he's going to probably...
Kif jitrattaw il-mama tagħhom.
Exactly. How they treat their sister, how they treat a waitress, how they treat a bus driver, how they treat people everywhere, how they treat their boss, respect, how they treat other people, that this person is a genuinely kind person because they ask questions, they listen to what people are saying, they're interested in people,
Literally, daw vera nafu narfu
Aha.
mal-ħin daw in-nies.
Mhux hekk.
Kun itfawna iktar knowledge hemm barra.
Mhm.
Ħammur lek mistoqsija oħra jiena fra. Taħseb li n-nies jafu jsowwuhom ir-relazzjonijiet. Jew inkella sirna bil-fors immorru għand professjonisti, hawn nies li verament jafu jaħdmu relationship tagħhom bħal pereżempju apology culture versus real accountability. Għax hawn min jgħidlek u hija sorry, pereżempju.
No, mhux hekk.
Jew
We are
kultant
sorry.
jagħmel lek
Doesn't
elogi.
mean...
Kelli relazzjoni reċentament fejn kien jagħmel li eloġi biex jiskuża ruħu. Kont nieħu pjaċir qatt ma kont smajt xi ħadd li jidħol
But did he mean it? Did he show in his actions or was it just words?
Kien hemm momenti ħafna ovvjament wara waqt il-maskla kollha xorta,
Mhux
fimt?
hekk, that's why. What the question was, how do people fix, if people know how to fix relationships? If you have respect and you listen and you want to genuinely fix a relationship, I think you can. This is my understanding, obviously. Okay, it's not. It's about respecting, realizing. Like, imagine I hurt you. Let's say we had an argument, and I really didn't mean to hurt you, and you tell me, really veru ħatalija. And I tell you, if I tell you why ma xa tamel ħaġeb, I'll tell you, you know,
Thank you.
I will tell you, Sha, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm really sorry. I don't know what I said, but I didn't mean it. You know, it takes a
Tista'
whole...
tfehmni x'għad.
Eżatt, tista' tfhem, let's understand so it doesn't happen again.
Fuq xi xfakritek.
Mhux hekk, exactly why? Because a lot of people have baggage. You know, we don't realize, we don't mean it. A lot of things happen like this. It's how we try to fix that instant and we put our ego aside and realize that Isma, you know, I must have said something to upset her. It has to be me.
Wow, ħafna jsibu diffikultà jiħendiljaw l-iskumdita
Yes.
wara argument.
Mhux hekk.
Kif ħaterġa' tingħaqad.
Mhux hekk. And it's
Tella we go.
exactly, someone has to be the first one to come forward, and then it's how the other one receives it. You know, if the other one tells you, is someone reach ma, you know, ma reach daqsek, tajna l-karti, whatever, u ħafna arabja, then you can't fix it. But if someone comes back and say, veru weġġajtni, ma thank you tal-li ġejt. Ħan nispjegalek, xatli kif, you know, so.
Ifimni, naħseb this is a beautiful discussion between us u nixtieq li mal-ħin ikonna opportunità li forsi anka mal-nisa tal-Women for Women, forsi tiġu mal-irġiel tagħkom ukoll nkun nistgħu nagħmlu forsi xi fundraising activity, tafu kemm inħobbhom dawn l-affarijiet. Naqraw ħafna post li jkun hemm in-nies li jkunu jixtiequ jkunu f'komunità faqda jintaqgħu man-nies, nirsistu ħafna frana.
Yes, nippruvaw eżatt.
Ħafna minnhom.
ħafna nies sfortunatament jew ikunu busy dak il-ħin imma nippruvaw aħna issa bdejna wkoll. Every Friday morning għanna sister circles, et namlu gruppijiet żgħar, breakfast, every Friday, kważi dil-ġimgħa m'għandniex għax we're moving offices. We're moving over there, you know, refurbishment, għax thanks to Gazan Mamo Tawna. They gave us, what do you call it, they donated furniture, so we have some new furniture, għax kien kollha naqajja qabitxiet. So this Friday we don't have, but every Friday we have a breakfast from 9 till 11. So 9 to 10 there's breakfast.
Okay.
It's free. And then 10 to 11 usually there is a talk about something. We would like to invite you one day, maybe to talk to us as well and tell us.
Għamlu uffiċjali, ħajkonna invitation, ħanitkellmu fuq hekk.
Eżatt, yes.
U għandna session oħra sabiħa li sejra tajjeb ħafna mal-servizz ta' fejn naħdem.
Yes, tell us.
So issa nkun qegħdin nippost
Yes, exactly. Because a lot of people say I'm just separated. I just this, I just that, and I would like to make friends. Imma mbagħad it's not reaching them the information.
Hemm blockage. Da program sħiħ xi darba fuq dan il-blockage. Fil-fatt nagħmlu llum imma naħseb kienet idea sabiħa ta' relationships. Għax fl-aħħar mill-aħħar maħniex magħmulin biex noqogħdu waħedna.
No, mhux hekk.
Loneliness hija kera ħafna.
Yes. And don't be afraid to reach out to friends when you're in need. That's another thing, you know.
Jasra jistħu.
How ħafna nisa jistħu.
Jkunu jriduk għalik biss fra. Jgħidulek ma nistgħu noħorġu inti biss.
No, I like to bring a lot of people together as well. I mean, it's nice one-on-one, don't get me wrong.
It's nice one-on-one.
Yes, but...
Imma meta jkollok ħajtek naqam ħaġa.
Yes, you want to get everyone together, mhux hekk. Eżatt. It's nice one-on-one, but the more the merrier. You know, there's the saying is for a reason. You know, the more the merrier, and it's nice, especially I think there's to create a sisterhood, you know. For many years, I think women were a bit afraid of each other, shy of each other, competitive. That's what I tried to create with Women for Women. I wanted to show that a sisterhood is an advantage for every woman. Having a good relationship with other women and uplifting each other.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. You know, when you want to flourish, you want to see others flourish. Yes. It's not always easy because sometimes you give and someone takes too much and they don't, then you go and try and find help from them, they don't help you, but we always try to do the right thing, you know. That's what
case by case basis.
Yes, eżatt, mhux hekk, you know, and sometimes jieħdu għalihom għax pereżempju I didn't post their post, jibbatuli għaliex ma milliltix, ma tellajtix tiegħi. It's not personal.
Li kellna din il-ġimgħa. Saħan sitra kont naf li ħajġri xi ħaġa u ġrad din xi ħaġa, għalax mhux kulħadd lest tal-verità.
Mhux hekk.
U linja ukoll li tifred bejn wieħed jekk hux lest li vera li jgħin lilu nnifsu, jon kella għadu f'sitwazzjoni li għandu bżonn jiġi mejjun iktar. Expectations, palma huma expectations for relationships, għax relationships da mhux qegħdin nitkellmu bejn koppja biss.
No.
Issa nitkellmu wkoll bejn cohorts
mux
ta' nisa.
mux hekk, exactly, cohort ta' nisa. Exactly.
M'għandhomx għalfejn jistennew li joħorġu one-to-one magħna.
Mux hekk, mux hekk.
Imma qegħdin nirganizzaw kombinazzjoni fuq l-istess binari biex jiġu jagħmlu ħbieb ma' nisa
Mux
oħra.
hekk.
U jivvintaw il-ħruġ tagħhom, anzi,
Mux hekk.
u aħna nistennewhom li jagħmlu volunteering, fundraising
Exactly,
events.
exactly.
Palma ġurina
Eżatt,
jiena u
mux
jiġu
hekk,
donations
mux hekk,
huma.
mux hekk, exactly.
How
Take the lead,
creative
mux
they can
hekk,
be, ta'.
take the lead. Don't be afraid to take the lead, you know. A lot of women joqogħdu lura,
Yes.
you know, even they don't put themselves forward for promotions, per eżempju.
Ekku. Mela ħana appell minn
Ah.
hawnhekk għal min qed jara. L-lum għana l-Francesca tal-Women for Women maħna u ħana appell għax jiena nħobb l-NGOs li għandi għal-qalbi. NGOs li s-samportjaw li fil-passat li kollaborajna fl-imkien, naħdmu fl-imkien. Jekk hemm xi marem barra mill-Women for Women, kemm minn dawk li jħobbuni u kemm minn dawk li ġdiqlaw li jien kollha nħobbhom. Over, jibbirri
Anki jiena,
ma
anki jiena.
Illi uħorġu b'inizjattiva, għamlu fundraising event intkom. Ħalli tgħidu frat, tista' tibatilna xi ħadd minn tagħkom, servu magħkom li Franceski u ħadd tibatil xi ħadd li jkun speaker li jista' jitkellem. Jekk ma jistgħux, tgħidilkom li għamlu għadar boħra. Jiena minn qalbi mmur nagħmlilkom session, is-session tiegħi minn flok niċċarġja tagħha għamlu donation lil Women for Women għax this is my philanthropy, ma qed tidrawni li nħobb nara li NGOs jibqgħu jiġu l-liftjat il fuq, il-ġimgħa l-oħra kellna tal-istend, il-qudiem ħajkonna tas-sor, il-VSM, l-NGOs li għenuni kollha rrid ngħinhom lura.
Veru.
Kollha,
Anki jiena, eżatt. I love to collaborate with other NGOs day and night, you know, when we can, we help even with SOAR, we help each other. With VSM, they help us. Eżatt, no, mhux hekk.
We just fit one to another.
Eżatt, mhux
Għamur
hekk.
lek mistoqsija oħra, ma jiena.
Daw il-
How much of relationship breakdown is about communication? And how much is about emotional maturity? Ġifiri għanna communication versus emotional maturity għawnek.
I think they can't be one without the other. I think emotional maturity is the basis of a healthy relationship, of our life, you know. Emotional maturity and intelligence, we all need to work on it more. It's the most difficult. I think...
Tini eżempju, fra koppja li memx emotional intelligence kif iġibu ruhom u koppja li hemm emotional intelligence.
For me, I would say, for example, enough, you have a fight too. And instead of, or even constructive, let's say enough, we have a disagreement about something that I say this and you say that. And you don't know how to come together and say, you know, it's something that sort of pulls you apart from each other instead of it saying, Isma, let's see. Okay, well, you think it like this, I think it like that. Viva, let's see, you know. Or a fight. You have a fight and after, like we were saying before, nobody comes to both of you. You keep it, you know, like that.
Yes.
The silent treatment.
Yes.
You know. Well, what's it going to
get you? Trigger responses. Trigger jgħal-l-oħra, nisemmu tal-passat.
Mela, always looking forward. That's what I say. If you want a relationship to look forward, you know, try and forgive and forget. It's difficult. It's not always easy. But obviously, it depends what and how many times, you know. But emotional intelligence is really important, and maturity. And then it comes, the communication comes. Definitely, you know, it's if you have emotional maturity, you want to have the communication and you want to make sure that you communicate your feelings in a realistic, not over emotional way. Explain, think before you talk a bit. I don't always do it.
Normali, u fina di.
I don't always practice what I preach, nipruvaw, you know, nitkellmu ovvjament. And obviously, the other person has to as well be emotionally intelligent and know how to communicate. You can't take a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. So you can try and be as emotionally intelligent and put everything forward, your arguments, and the other person is not the same. It's difficult.
Ħafna nis jaħsbu li tipo they will continue fixing and fixing għax xi darba ħajinbidel. Da mhux qed nitkellmu
No,
fuq fixing a violent person biss.
no.
Anka an emotional disconnected
The
person.
person, yes, mhux hekk.
Jitibgħu dak minnu hekk.
No,
U jaħasra jirrinuċaw fuq ħajja ta'
yes,
mħabba.
yes.
Illa li xaċċettaw il-partner li huwa
Hekk,
hekk.
I know, mhux hekk, eżatt, no. We have one life, it's too short to
It has to be full of love, full of sex, full of fun,
mela, passion
passion.
and kindness, love, emotional intelligence and emotions that you can speak about, honesty, truth, very important, to say the truth, even if you don't, sometimes the truth might hurt, but you say it in a nice way, and you're careful with your words. I'm not always careful. Sometimes you're her Julia, and then I say,
Għanna tendenza.
You know?
Nis għanna tendenza, bħalma u karattri tal-ġilu koll għandhom tendenza,
yes,
li nkunu impulsivi.
yes, I am. Sometimes I'm very impulsive,
So, jisu dak il-partner ideali
yes.
tagħna ta' meta xi ħadd ikun impulsiv.
Yes.
Jista' jkun forsi li persuni iktar kalma,
Yes.
persuna iktar
Or
understanding.
is that my husband tells me like, I know that it's 5 minutes, but jaddilek.
All right, he found the trick, mela, to keep a great woman.
No,
Eh?
and I think humor, humor,
Human part.
humor when humor is very important in a relationship because it deflates all that, obviously.
U li nkunu fil-female energy.
Yes.
Min jieħu pjaċir ikun jgħat ma' mara, jew kella inti tkun raġel, jew inti bħala mara, tkun qiegħda ma' raġel u da he's all in his female energy. Jiġġieled iktar minn 3 nisa f'daqqa. Taf kif kelli din l-esperjenza?
Veru.
Mamma mia, literalment ġifieri kont nibqa' nħares leħ u ngħid jiena qatt m'għamilta man-nisa ma dat 3 nisa f'daqqa. Però mbagħad kont fimt x'kienet, kien imrobbi bil-close ħafna tal-parents tiegħu, mami u nisa fil-familja u l-influenza tagħhom evolvew fuqhom. Kif evolvit l-influenza tiegħi xina fid-dinja barra qisni sit irġiel f'daqqa. Imma ma' raġel mbagħad differenti għax tarafni lili jekk inkun qiegħda in love. So tajjeb li nifmu li hemm compartments u
Yes, mhux hekk.
Ħansaqsik oħra mela. What role does self-abandonment play in relationships failing? Self-abandonment, meta literalment inti tabbanduna lilek innifsek biex minn għalik ħassalvaħħa l-relazzjoni.
Terrible. The biggest mistake. For me, it's the biggest mistake. You have to first really love yourself, know yourself, not in a selfish way, in a way where you keep boundaries to make sure that even the other person, it's how can you be, who are you if you're not yourself? I mean, how can you be a loving person if you give everything, to one person, you abandon everything? I think it's the biggest mistake, I can't even begin to imagine it. And I think that was what happens to a lot of women. They give everything, either to the children or to the man or to both, and they forget themselves, And then you wake up one day, like, he's with someone else. I caught him cheating. And you have nothing of yourself left. Shut up, you have to really unsee. I think self-respect can only be a better thing for your relationship, as in respecting what you're...
I'm
not very good.
Self-respect huwa l-aqwa ħaġa li jista' jkollok relationships tiegħek. Naħseb anka hija xi ħaġa li vera nistgħu nitkellmu naqqa żgħira oħra fuqha, il għaliex jekk inti intqajt ma' partner jew ma' ħabiba ħamtkom ħbieb bejk ġuventur jew nisa ġla jismaħ kulħadd. Fil-bidu kont mod, u mbagħad għax tajt ħafna affarijiet il ħaddieħor ma dek xejn minn dak li kellek la fid-dera, la fil-karattru, u dik il-persuna awtomatikament ħajibqa' jfittex lil min għażel jekk inti ma dek xejn kont.
It doesn't make sense either, għandek raġun. It doesn't make sense. They wanted that person.
They were attracted to that
person, mhux hekk. And issa if they sometimes the other person changes you as well, As they suck you dry, it's not always, as sometimes, as you know, we give a lot because someone is taking it.
Iva. Ġiri ma nkunux nistgħu ngħidu l-verità ta' min qed joħodha. Jibqgħu jissagrifikaw.
Exactly, and we stay for the children, and we stay for because the parents, for society, what they're going to say, x'ħajasbu,
Statuses.
statuses.
Dawk
mhux hekk.
waħda mill-ikbar challenges.
You know,
The
I mean,
bigger the state,
isma,
the bigger the
you know,
challenge.
I speak about a bit myself. My first marriage finished after 10 months. I had a 10-month-old baby. And after that, when my son was about 2 years old, I was in a relationship for about 7 years. And I really wanted to get out of the relationship. But the societal pressure of yet another failed relationship,
True.
for me, it kept me there. I think, Madonna, ħanerġa noħroġ with this child.
Kemm
Now it's
sena ilu
18.
di, fra?
Oh, now it was 25 years ago.
So kienet fler, tajjeb li nifmu li kienet flera tkellimni ma' Bridget din, selmina minna Bridget.
It was in the 90s, start, end of the 90s,
and
2000.
Exactly. You suffered the taboo.
Yes, of leaving. And also, you know, you say, you know, like, it's, I forgot what I was going to say, sorry.
Inti soffrejt.
Exactly. Societal pressure, you stay for the wrong reasons, you know, you stay for the wrong reasons, either because of the children, you forget yourself, like, even you have a lot of gaslighting, for example, you know, you forget yourself. And that's why I want to speak about the importance of work and remaining independent for women, staying financially independent and going to work. Work is not only about money. Work is about dignity, meeting people. It's about feeling useful, because sometimes in your home, you hear everyone putting you down, putting you down. Then you go to work and you have people saying, prosit, kemm brava, well done, really good, you know? And that disconnect starts to make you realize, Mela, it's not true that I'm like this. I'm probably this. I'm good. You know, this was really what happened to me. I was in a relationship where they were always gaslighting me, putting me down. And I was going, then I go to work and everyone, and I'm like, stenna. I went to therapy, you know.
Yes.
You know, therapy really helps.
It helps a lot.
You know.
Changes your perspective.
It really helps, especially in in relationships. It's important to go not only to save the relationship, to see if you're like, what this relationship is giving you. Like, I went to therapy, couples therapy. I ended up leaving him.
All right. I ain't like them.
But it's true, because that's why you realize things about yourself, you know?
That's good. Darba spiċċajt qudiem psikjatra mal-ex tiegħi fejn morna biex nirranġaw l-affarijiet minn għalihu.
Eżatt.
Jiena kontili ngħidu l-affarijiet kienu spiċċaw.
Eżatt.
Kif mbagħad il-psikjatra qed jispjegalu għam bil-wif għadaw għallu ejja, għalhekk ġibt għand il-psikjatra inti biex tgħidli titlaqni qudiem l-psikjatra. Jien m'iniex ħanet ilek u telaq lil-barra. Għadni niftakar għasallu għajnek kienu psikjatra t tara.
Just to prove you, I know, eżatt.
Sewa tajt imma. 30 minutes mhumiex biżżejjed biex tagħmel. Xi bħal di, però qed nibraxxjaw daw l-affarijiet.
Yes.
Nispera li jkun eye-opener għal dawk li diħlin f'relazzjoni, anka f'ħbiberija.
Yes.
Għax illum għandna ħafna tipi ta' relazzjonijiet. Għandna relationships li jimorru għattulu u għadhom traditional, jixtuqu jiżżewġu. Well and good, go do it. We have to empower love.
Yes.
Love is beautiful.
Yes, love is beautiful under the right circumstances. Don't be blinded by love. Please.
It's like we want to beg them, vera.
No, because you know you can't save yourself so much heartache. You know, when if you go into a relationship with your heart, but with your open eyes, you know, with open eyes, see the red flags. You know, if he's selfish, if he doesn't come for you on time, if he silly things, you know,
small little
things, you know, you know, small little things. He speaks badly about his ex. He speaks badly about his mother. I don't know. He's got a temper. You know. These things, they're going to come back.
Il-mistoqsija li kienet ġeja, closing question, isek battili minn qabel. It's very good. So dik kienet ħatkun il-mistoqsija. If you could give people one rule that would protect most relationships from breaking, what would it be? Għax di isna morna, f'dej titkellem, isna morna xistaw jamlu biex jiprevjenu li jitlu f'relazzjoni ħażina. Din imma biex jisaħħu relazzjoni. ħaġa waħda biex ma jitkellmux u jaħtfu forsi xulxin.
Don't take each other for granted. Never take the other person for granted. Always think that this person, and always be with that person because you choose to be,
Ekku.
not because you can't do it, you can't live alone. You choose every day to be with that person, so don't take them for granted. Listen to them, hear them, love them, show them that you love them, but don't take them for granted. I think that's for me is, and treat them as a person.
Ekku.
Remember, they're a person
Ekku.
with all their faults and everything.
Thank
And
you, Francesca.
thank you. It was
Messaġġ
really
sabiħ
nice.
ħafna.
It's true we can continue talking for ages.
Someone to drink.
Thank you.
Jiena
Thanks,
nirringrazzjak minn qalbi
thank
tal-li
you.
kont hawnhekk. Żgur mhux ħadkun l-ewwel darba din, u żgur jekk jisħajrukom daw it-topics ħankunu qegħdin nagħmluhom kemm bħala fundraising activities, kemm
Yes.
bħala ġast biex inkunu qegħdin hemmhekk ħanarawkom tikbru. Se nkun qed intikom 3 key takeaways, sibuhom daqsxejn iktar tard. Apparti minn hekk, grazzi nawguralek relazzjoni mill-isbaħ
Anki lilek.
lilek u is-semmija tagħna. Xxerjaw dan il-Soulcast, ħankomplu nikbru flimkien u nerġu ngħid għall-sponsors. Jekk hawn xi ħadd irid jagħmel sponsor, jiena minn qalbi nirringrazzjakom ħankunu nistgħu nibqgħu nkunu sostenibbli. Grazzi
Thank
u
you.
narakom darb'oħra.
Thanks, Shakira.
Welcome.
Prosit.